Hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider hitting that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell, and leaving me a comment about the video. In this video today, I will be doing a budget with me. If that is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, let's get to it. This is my budget by Paycheck workbook. You can find the link down below on my Etsy shop, and we will get right to it. This is the Paycheck for July 29th, 2022. So we are going to go right here with July, and I want to say thank you to Sam's Budgeting Corner. In my last video, I had issues with my writing looking blurry. She said I should use a different pen, so I'm going to try that now and see if this is actually going to be a better video for today. For my work income, I am taking $1,362, and it looks better already, but I am going to zoom in just a little. All right, I hope they look okay. So let's get to it. I'm gonna write down my categories. So that is a little better. And as you can see, I am only doing bills and my variable expenses because it is the end of the month. So that's all I will be stuffing. So for my credit cards, I am going to budget $32. For my car note, I am going to budget $110. For utilities, I'm going to budget $50. And for my rent, I am going to do $900. And let me grab my calculator. Okay, so I did get a new calculator. I got this in the mail from, it was actually a gift from someone. And let me find my gift receipt. It's right here. It just says, enjoy your gift from your budget buddy. I don't know who could have sent this, but whoever sent it, thank you, thank you, thank you. It came to my P.O. box, and I was like, what is this? I didn't order nothing from Amazon. And I was like in a hurry to open and see what it was. And that's what it was. This pretty gold calculator. I love it. So for my bills, let's add those up. And for my bills, a total of $1,092. So we're going to take this 1,362 minus $1,092, which leaves us with $270. So for my groceries, let's do $150, and we're gonna set aside $100 for gas. And then for spending, let's do 10 and 10 since I got $270. So we're gonna do $150 plus $100 plus 10 plus 10 equals that $270. And 270 minus 270 equals 0. So as you guys can see, this is such a this is a short video because we are only budgeting for these two areas here. Sinking funds I will do on a different video. From here we will actually turn over and do our actual cash stuffing. So for the date of 7/29/22, and I am going to fill in my categories and I will be back. Okay, y'all, I do want to stop again and say thank you to Sam's Budgeting Corner. This a different pen actually worked. It actually looked a little bit better, and I was messing with the lightning, and it could have something to do with my lightning as well. But thank you, girl, for the tip. It actually worked. For my utilities, I'm just going through this, y'all, just looking off the top of my head. For rent, we're just gonna do 9. For groceries, let's do 2 50s, 2 20s, and 2 10s. For gas, let's do a 50, 70. Okay. For spending, let's do a 10, and then for household, let's do 2 5s. So here I have, what am I doing? Put this in screen. So I have 10, 1 2 3 4, 4, and 1 2 3 4, 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4. You know what? This is wrong here, because instead this 160. So yeah. Should be 6. And I only have 2 1s. And this equals a total of $1,362. So you guys know, after this part, I normally transfer to a mini tracker so I can have the mini tracker on my desk while I am doing my videos. So I am going to do that, and you guys know I will fast forward it. Let me get that out and get my Sharpie. So I'm going to use this one. Ooh, I just dumped all of my Sharpies out. And yes, I did make a new tracker. Y'all know I'm always doing something, designing something. So I'm going to fast forward it. All right, so that is it for this video. We are going to wrap it up. In the next video, we will be actually doing the cash stuffing, and I would love it if you guys will go on over there and join me there. As always, guys, I want you to be blessed. Bye.